Welcome to NFT Update. We come to you every Saturday at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm your host, Deezy.
And I'm Jeezy. I'm Justin.
The Snowman?
No.
Oh.
Young Jeezy.
Oh, Young Jeezy. Hey, how's it going? You doing good?
Yeah, I'm Justin.
All right. Hey, Justin. So we come to you and we bring the favorite NFT updates and news hitting the space because NFT moves fast and you got to watch the news to keep up.
Might be the fastest space in blockchain.
I would agree 100%. So we're going to talk about a little bit of the news and some upcoming projects and some tokens that you can maybe even get into.
Yeah, super cool.
Yeah, I'm excited. All right, so in the news this week, we had the Mutants, the Bored Ape Mutant Club, sold out in minutes, $90 million in sales.
So on Mint Day, 3 ETH for one. And now usually these avatar projects, it's like 0.06, 0.07, maybe 0.08. 3 ETH to mint one Mutant Bored Ape.
Yeah, it's around $10,000 out the gate.
Yeah, sold out in minutes.
Yeah, then almost instantly doubled up.
Yeah, so I think now, so it started at 3 ETH. I think the floor immediately went to like 7. I think it's sitting around 6 or 7 right now.
All right. Well, let's talk about what we bought the last week. You buy any NFTs?
I bought a few. So I tried to buy an Al Capone, like on Mint. You know, I was at a dealership, a car dealership with my wife in the middle of trying to like negotiate with the salesperson. I noticed that the drop had gone live, and I actually excused myself because my wife was kicking my leg. I excused myself to go to the bathroom.
Pregnant wife, I might add.
Yes, pregnant wife. Love you, baby. And went to the bathroom and sat there and tried to get one of these NFTs. I could not get one. They sold out so fast. However, I did go on OpenSea like the next day, and I bought a couple of the lower hanging fruit, you know, the floor on Al Capone's, and come to find out there's an issue with the contract.
Yeah, I saw that the price went down a little bit.
Yeah. So now I have these. I don't even know what I got. They're not revealed yet because they have issues. Hopefully that's going to be resolved soon because I'm super excited about the project. I noticed that the community was really big, and they're kind of bummed that they're having this issue. So hopefully,
yeah, I saw Gary V was involved, but yeah, if you're doing an NFT launch, they have to be minted basically immediately. So I also had a fail. I tried to buy a couple Solana NFTs. I tried to get some Soul Bears, another one, and sold out in seconds. First one about 10 seconds they sold out. The other one 5 seconds they sold out. Yeah. And it's just ridiculous. Solana, it's so fast, it's so efficient. But on the downside, these things get snatched up immediately.
Yeah, it's so hot right now. The whole, like, the NFT drops, you know, and the countdown, it's just like it's gamified so much that you're so hyped that they sell out instantly. The community's so big that they're just selling out.
Yeah, but I did get a sympathy for the devil NFT. I had a demon. I needed to get a devil. And we both actually bought something. What did we get?
Wanderers.
Yeah.
So you told me to buy one of the Wanderers.
My most expensive NFT I've ever purchased.
What'd you pay?
It's like $1,000.
I paid like $1,500.
Woo!
Like it went up a little bit because I didn't listen to you. And then I went home that night. Another buddy of mine texted me and said, you got to buy one of these. So I was like, you know what? Deezy told me to. This guy told me to. So I went over and I bought 2 of them. And so we're going to see what happens with. Maybe we'll get into a deeper view of these next week.
Yeah. It's something I think is really cool. So it's something I'm excited about. Let's get into some projects.
Yeah.
All right. So we're going to talk about 2 NFTs and 2 different tokens that you can get into. First, we have Purrnelopes Country Club. Purrnelopes.
Meow.
Are you a cat guy?
You know, I do have a cat. I gave it to my parents. It was from a bad relationship, a relationship that went wrong. I ended up getting the cat. She got the car. So, but yeah, my parents have the cat now. I think it's the oldest cat in history. It's 24 years old this year.
Is that what they modeled the Sphinx after in Egypt?
Yeah, that one. That was the one. So,
okay,
yeah.
I thought so. All right, so Purrnelope, it's a little bit different. They're definitely community-based. One of the things they're doing is they're rewarding their holders with advertisement fees.
Oh, wow.
So if you hold your profile pic as a Purrnelope cat, they will pay you advertising money.
Huh.
Yeah, and they have all types of ways with voting, and also the first green NFT that I've seen in a while. So they're buying carbon offsets. They're actually beneficial to the environment.
Yeah, that's what I like to see from projects. I like to see innovative tech trying to do something different that no one else is doing.
Yeah, they're also going to have an anime. And with the voting, they're going to vote to see what cat gets picked in the anime. It could be your cat. You could be a star of an anime.
Your NFT could be a star.
Well, if it's your profile pic, what do they know you as?
You're right.
It basically is you.
That's pretty cool.
So they also have a big community chest. You know what they're calling it?
Tell me.
The kitty bank.
So not like a piggy bank, but a kitty bank.
A kitty bank. You want to guess how much they got in the kitty bank?
Oh man, let's see. $1,000? Yeah.
A little bit more than that. No, they pulled up 500 ETH.
God, 500 ETH.
They actually have like a real war chest. So you hold it, you get to vote what they do with that money. Do you want to continue to like help the environment? Do you want to pay the holders? Do you want to do airdrops? You get to decide.
Do you want to buy a mutant ape?
Yeah, maybe I've seen a lot of mutant apes being given away. Yeah, I mean, you can maybe win a mutant ape. So you hold the cat, you get to vote, and you take part in their country club.
Super cool.
Purrnelopes Country Club. Make sure you check that one out.
Link in the description.
Links will be in the description. All right, so we talked about a project, but we also have some tokens. What's the first token?
All right, first token is Dexkit. Dexkit is no stranger to the channel. If you watch this and follow us, BitBoy Crypto, for any time you've heard us talk about this, it's a DeFi dashboard. Super cool project. They build out different things. They've now entered the NFT marketplace space. So they have come out with a whitelist label marketplace. So like, let's say somebody has a website. Do you have a website?
I don't have a website. I could. Maybe I'll make one.
Yeah.
I'll call it NFTZ Deezy?
No. More like cheesydeezy.com. That would probably be better.
Cheesy Deezy?
Or sleazycheesydeezy.com.
How about greasy cheesy Deezy?
All right, we'll do that. So let's say you wanted to, on this website with your URL, if it's a WordPress website, you can now take the Dexkit in a white label NFT marketplace and put it in like a plugin onto that WordPress website. Super cool. So then you can put your art on there. If you have music you wanted to put on there as an NFT, if you wanted to have ads run as NFTs on there, you can do it right from your website.
All right, so your website uses their marketplace, kind of like an API 3 thing, and just instantly, you don't have to build, you don't have to get the developers. I can see corporate interest getting real excited about that. Maybe like a Taco Bell or a Pepsi.
Or a McDonald's, like with coupons. They could mint NFT coupons right on their website. The verification would be their URLs.
Okay.
So super cool. Also, what they are coming out with is a wallet, an NFT wallet. I know everybody kind of complains about having to go to OpenSea to look at their NFTs or going to Rarible to look at their NFTs because some of them aren't on this one, but they're on that one. Well, Dexkit's kind of solved that. So what they've done is they've created a wallet, an NFT wallet, that you can put any OX NFT, whether it's on Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, ETH, any of them, right in one wallet. So all of your NFTs are in one place.
Yeah, I like that because MetaMask, it's terrible on PC for showing your NFTs. The mobile's okay, but yeah, the desktop application it's actually terrible when it comes to NFTs. So.
Yeah, because I mean, with MetaMask, some of them don't show. If it's an 1155, they will not show up.
Yep. Yeah, so, you got to add it, and it's a whole thing. You got to find it. Yeah, it's a huge pain actually. So.
Yeah. So Dexkit solved that. Dexkit is sitting up under. It's a very low cap. It's sitting under.
Ooh.
Yeah. It's sitting under 10 million.
10 million?
10 million. Under $10 million market cap. You can also find it on Uniswap. You can find it on Pancakeswap.
All right, what's the ticker so that people can get this?
KIT.
Okay.
KIT.
All right.
Links will be in the description.
That's another low cap gem for you folks.
There you go.
All right, well, let's talk about another project. You know what the most meme-worthy, cutest animal in the world is?
That weird dog blowing out a birthday cake.
That's number 2.
Start over.
No, let's keep this. Keep this in. No, it's an axolotl.
Axolotl. It's not the dog blowing out a birthday cake.
No, it's that cute little amphibian you can see here. It's in all the little memes.
Oh, yeah.
So these are Axolittles.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, it's a cute little salamander-looking thing. It's a amphibian. So this is the first moving 2D avatar project.
Yeah, I've actually seen it. We saw it before we started filming. Super cool, and it is just the cutest little thing.
Yeah, it's 48 frames. It loops forever. I mean, you just watch them. You can watch it for hours. Some people watch sunsets. I want to watch my NFTs.
Yeah, some people watch Netflix.
Show me my wallet.
I want to see my wallet on Dexkit.
So this is an upcoming project. This is airing Saturday, 11 a.m. Hopefully you caught it early. These are coming out Monday, Eastern Standard Time at noon. So this will be dropping 2 days after our video. So this is an upcoming project that you can get in on the mint.
Link will be in the description, but I am personally going to buy one. Are you going to buy one?
I'm definitely going to buy one. They have a huge plan ahead. Yeah, they're going to have some extra things on the roadmap. This isn't on the website. I haven't seen it on the socials. This is breaking news. You see it first on Sneaky Peeky on NFT Update here. They're going to have robot Axolittles and space Axolittles.
That's going to be out of this world.
Yeah, so they have, they're going to continue to develop the project. It's not one of those projects where, oh yeah, we mint them and then we're done and maybe we do an airdrop. No, they got some big plans. So it's something I'm excited about. And once you see it, I mean, you're mesmerized. So
yeah, well, I can't wait. I'm going to buy one. You're going to buy one.
Definitely going to buy one.
Axolotl brothers.
I can't wait. High five. All right. But we have another project, another low cap gym.
Another low cap gym. So, all right. We're not going to go too in depth with this one until next week. We're going to do a deeper dive when they actually launch their main net. This one is 1,000 blocks. It's called 1,000 blocks, 1000 blocks. The ticker is BLS. They just had their IDO pre-sale on Walt Finance launchpad. Sold out 2 minutes. It broke records.
Yeah, 1,000 block space. It's blown up. I mean, broke a record for the pre-sale, and they've done a lot of pre-sales, so I'm bullish.
Yeah, very bullish. We won't go in detail. I will tell you, I was on a call with them. Very cool concept when it comes to NFTs and minting NFTs and creating NFTs. I think it's going to be really attractive for people to check out. If you want to participate and invest in this one, not financial advice, I am personally invested. You can get it on WaltSwap and Pancakeswap, and the ticker is BLS. Links will all be in the description. Very cool project. Again, deeper dive next week.
All right, I can't wait.
Yeah, me neither.
So, you know what time it is.
Giveaway time.
Giveaway time.
What are we giving away this week?
We're going to give away $1,000 to a Pluto Alliance follower.
Like $1,000 in USDT or what?
No, we're going to be giving away Bit Token.
Oh, the community token.
Community token. So all you have to do is just retweet the tweet. Link will be in the description. We're picking the winner tomorrow, so make sure you hurry up. And that's why you got to have notifications on.
Cool. So that's on our Twitter, right?
Yeah, that's on our Twitter.
So I don't think that's enough. I think we need to give away more.
What do you mean more?
I think, let me check.
What are we going to do here?
I have another $1,000.
Another 1,000.
So we'll split it up.
All right. How do you want to break this down?
We'll do 2 giveaways of $500 in Bit Token. 2 giveaways and $500 for our Discord on Pluto Alliance.
Okay.
And our Telegram on Pluto Alliance.
All right. So we're doing 3 giveaways total. $1,000, 500, and 500. Twitter, Discord, Telegram.
Yeah. All right. Real quick. How do you want to give it away on the Telegram and on Discord?
How about this? We got to spread the message.
We do.
Hashtag Pluto is a planet. Go in the Telegram, go in the Discord, type in hashtag Pluto is a planet. We're going to be choosing a winner.
Pluto is a planet.
It is a planet. It's not an icy rock.
What do y'all think? Put a comment. Do you think Pluto's a planet, or do you think it's some kind of dwarf little thing that people want to categorize?
You know what the FUD is? It's smaller than the moon.
Whatever it is. I don't care. It's a planet. When I was in school, science class, 3rd grade, they had the weird thing with all the planets on it. Pluto was on there.
Yeah, I agree.
Pluto's a planet.
Pluto is a planet. And that's all we got time for today.
That's it. Next week, though, Saturday. We'll see you then.
Next week. See you then.
All right. Out.